This is the Panasonic AG-HVX200P, a professional DVCPRO HD camcorder released by Panasonic in 2005 that became widely used for independent filmmaking, documentaries, and broadcast production. It records onto both P2 solid-state memory cards and MiniDV tapes using three 1/3-inch progressive CCD sensors paired with a Leica Dicomar 13x optical zoom lens. The camera supports DVCPRO HD recording in multiple formats, including 1080i, 1080p, and 720p, along with standard definition DV recording for MiniDV tape workflows. One of the biggest features of the HVX200P was its ability to shoot true progressive video, including 24p recording modes that gave footage a film-like appearance. Panasonic also included variable frame rate recording in 720p mode, allowing the user to shoot anywhere from 12 to 60 frames per second for in-camera slow and fast motion effects. On the side, you get a 3.5-inch flip-out LCD display, along with a color electronic viewfinder for handheld shooting. The camera also features professional controls, including built-in ND filters, XLR audio inputs with phantom power, manual focus and zoom rings, and extensive image customization settings designed for production work. For connectivity, the HVX200P includes FireWire, also known as IEEE 1394, for DV and DVCPRO HD transfer, along with component video, S-video, composite outputs, USB, and professional XLR audio connections. More than 20 years later, the HVX200P is still appreciated for its cinematic image quality, distinctive CCD color rendering, and its major role in the rise of affordable digital filmmaking during the mid-2000s. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.